Hey guys, as you know, Papa Dan and Colonel Reb are actually hosting a Meng and Tiger Tunes build. So it's all the builds that are actually shaped like a kind of toony figure. I did one quite a while ago. This is the one I did. This was the Sherman tank. And I did it with the chipping stuff that's through one of the companies out there. They have a chipping kit, so I wanted to try it. It actually looked pretty cool in my opinion, but these kits are great. If this is going to be your guys' first time building, these kits are really good. I mean, the hinges still work, and the turn goes up and down. The tracks are rubber. I mean, for the cost and the size of these are great kits. So that's the one I did. So I actually wanted to do another tank to have a base, because I did a base with that and it's just not working out. So I'm going to have maybe 2 little bases or so. I'm going to redo the bases, but this is the one I want to do. And so let me show you. This one's quite a bit more pieces than the other one was. Not very many decals, just a couple. So, looks like for your wheels, your poly caps. So you got a bunch of wheels there. More wheels. Number 2 of the exact same sprues. So you got some of your extra track that actually is mounted up on the thing. I think these are flare launchers or so, or something like that. The mortars or so. You got the bottom, the cannon. You got some rubber tracks. That's one of the nice things about these kits, is they get the rubber tracks. Top of the tank, much larger. I'm gonna assume that this tank was that much larger than it was before. So then the sides. It's the old heavy tank. Nice instructions, not too much stuff, but just enough to get you going. And a nice color diorama just to show you, what the looks are. So September 1st I'll be starting on this, and on that time I will talk to you guys then and show you where I'm at. So see you guys around.